How to remove social link on Facebook profile. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. But if you use Android phone, you can see on the upper right side on your screen. So I use iOS, so meaning I tap the menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And settings and privacy, scroll down and go to audience and visibility section. Here you can see the profile details. Okay, you can tap this and scroll down and contact info. You can see here the social link you add. And okay guys, to remove this, you'll have to do is tap the pencil icon on the right side of this, and you can see here the social link you added. So for example, I remove this social link. So okay, you can see the remove button here. So you'll have to do is tap the remove button. And okay guys, after that, go back and you can see the pop-up below. You'll have to do is tap the save change button to successfully remove the social link on your Facebook profile. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.